This video is sponsored in collaboration with Ultrahuman, who provided the Ring AIR for review and evaluation purposes. However, all views and opinions expressed in this content are entirely my own and remain unbiased. They do not reflect the views, endorsements, or official positions of Ultrahuman or its products. The Ultrahuman Ring AIR is a sleek titanium smart ring designed to monitor sleep, activity, and recovery, all without requiring a subscription. Priced at $349 US, it offers a compelling alternative to other smart rings. Crafted from lightweight titanium and measuring just 2.45 millimeters in thickness, the Ring AIR is designed for wearing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's hypoallergenic and water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming and daily activities. The Ring AIR provides comprehensive health metrics, including sleep tracking, utilizes the Advanced Sleep Algorithm 2.0, which personalizes insights based on age, sex, and body composition. Recovery monitoring calculates a dynamic recovery score using factors like sleep quality, stress levels, resting heart rate, and heart rate variability. Skin temperature sensing. Tracks skin temperature during sleep to help users understand their body's patterns. Women's health features offers advanced tracking for women's health, which has been especially useful for postpartum users. The Ring AIR boasts a battery life of 4 to 6 days, while the app interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Compared to competitors, the Ultrahuman Ring AIR stands out by offering a one-time purchase with no subscription fees. This makes it a cost-effective choice for users seeking comprehensive health tracking without ongoing costs. The Ultrahuman Ring AIR is a strong contender in the smart ring market, offering robust health tracking features in a sleek, comfortable design. Its subscription-free model and advanced tracking capabilities make it an attractive option for health-conscious individuals. In this video, we're diving hands first into the Ultrahuman Ring AIR, starting with an unboxing to see exactly what you get for your money. From the packaging quality to first impressions of the build and finish, we'll explore what sets this ring apart. Then we'll take it through a full review after several days of wear, testing features like sleep tracking, recovery scores, temperature monitoring, and overall comfort. Let's get started and see if the Ultrahuman Ring AIR really lives up to the hype. Before you receive the actual Ultrahuman Ring AIR, you'll get the sizing kit. The sizing kit comes in clean, eco-friendly packaging and includes 9 plastic ring size. Each ring is clearly marked, lightweight, and designed to mimic the final product's internal fit and feel. The process is simple: wear the sizer on your intended finger for at least 24 hours, including sleep and daily activities to test for tightness, comfort, and potential swelling. Ultrahuman recommends choosing the smallest size that still feels comfortable. The shipping was fast, and the kit arrived neatly packaged. Once you confirm your size online, Ultrahuman proceeds to ship your final Ring AIR based on your selection. This is an important step that ensures the premium fitness ring you receive is a perfect fit for long-term wear. If you're spending over $300 on a health wearable, this extra layer of precision is well worth the wait. The Ultrahuman Ring AIR arrives in packaging that is sleek, modern, and eco-friendly, designed to provide a clean and practical unboxing experience. The smart ring itself, crafted from lightweight titanium, comes fully charged and ready to pair. The ring is available in 5 distinct finishes, each crafted to complement various personal styles, while maintaining the ring's sleek and minimalist design. Raw titanium, a classic uncoated metallic finish that highlights the natural look of titanium. Aster Black, a glossy black finish offering a bold and modern aesthetic. Matte Grey, a subdued, matte finish providing a refined and understated appearance. Bionic Gold, a vibrant gold finish that adds a touch of luxury to the ring's design. Space Silver, a sleek silver finish with a mirror-like sheen, offering a futuristic look. All finishes are applied over a high-grade titanium base, ensuring durability and lightweight comfort. The rings are also coated with a transparent, medical-grade hypoallergenic epoxy resin on the inner surface to protect the embedded electronics and enhance wearability. Inside the box, the Ultrahuman Ring AIR is thoughtfully packaged and elegantly presented. Accompanying the ring is a user manual that provides clear instructions on downloading the Ultrahuman app and using the included charging dock. The package also contains branded stickers and a USB-C cable designed to connect the dock to a power source. Pairing the Ultrahuman Ring AIR with the app. To get started, download the latest version of the Ultrahuman app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Now place your Ultrahuman Ring AIR on the charging dock and let it charge for at least 30 minutes before pairing. While the ring remains on the dock, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. If you're using an Android device, you'll also need to turn on location services in your system settings to enable pairing. Once everything's ready, open the Ultrahuman app. Tap on the Ring tab at the bottom, then select Connect Ring to begin the pairing process. Tap Continue on the next screen. The app will automatically search for your ring and connect to it. Once the pairing is successful, you'll see a confirmation message showing your connected ring. To finish setup, tap Start My Journey, and just like that, you're ready to begin your Ultrahuman experience. Charging the Ultrahuman Ring AIR is quick and straightforward, thanks to its custom wireless charging dock. First, connect the included USB-C cable to the charging dock and plug it into any USB power source. This could be your laptop, a wall adapter, or a power bank. Once connected, you'll see an LED indicator light up, confirming the dock is ready. Next, place the ring on the dock with the sensor side, facing downward. Make sure it's seated properly in the center of the charging base. The ring will begin charging automatically. Depending on your setup, the LED may pulse or change color to show that charging is in progress. The full charge typically takes around 1.5 to 2 hours, and you can expect up to 6 days of battery life with regular use. For best results, charge the ring in a cool, dry place and avoid any moisture around the dock. Always double check that the ring is aligned properly to ensure efficient charging. And that's it. Your Ultrahuman Ring AIR is ready to wear and track your health, recovery, and performance seamlessly. In the next video, we'll take a deeper dive into the Ultrahuman app and explore its full range of features. I'll also share my honest experience after several weeks of wearing the Ring AIR, how it's performed, how it compares to other wearables, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. If you're considering picking one up for yourself, you'll find an affiliate link to the Ultrahuman website in the description below, along with a special discount code to help you save on your purchase of the Ring AIR. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the full review.